Welcome back. Our Hiring Hoosiers initiative connects you to jobs, resources, and also training opportunities.
I love that camera move. Very fancy. In the past, we've talked about the organization. Pretty long name. It's called the Indiana Next Generation Manufacturing Competitive Center. In short, it's known as MAC.
Yeah, the organization works to connect industry leaders in manufacturing to Indiana students and educators.
Yeah, and this morning we have a cool opportunity for your kids in the NMAC Design and Innovation Studios. More than 3 million jobs need to be filled in manufacturing through 2025, but only an estimated 2 million workers will be qualified to fill those roles. And for Subaru of Indiana Automotive, a plant celebrating 30 years, that math just doesn't add up. So with NMAC, they're partnering to look ahead to future generations. And while Hoosier workers are busy here at Subaru producing their 6 millionth car this year, Hoosier students are busy in the laboratory learning what a career in manufacturing would really be like.
Okay, material handlers, let's get these back to them. Building cars out of Legos and seeing how many we could get in 4 minutes.
Like Lily Graves and JC Provo, 5th graders from James Cole Elementary in Tippecanoe County.
Should we have a higher productivity? Yes. Okay.
The first time we got 18, and the second time we got 35.
Their class is enjoying a field trip to SIA with hands-on learning in the STEM and Discovery Lab. Kind of like an assembly line, seeing how the process works.
Yeah. Everybody had a different part in the assembly line, and you had to make a car, and if you had tiny pieces, it was harder to get them on.
I was the person who took it apart and the person who checked to make sure they were all looked good.
Since first opening its doors in October 2018, this STEM Learning and Discovery Lab that encompasses more than 1,000 square feet has welcomed more than 2,000 5th grade through 12th grade students.
What we're going to do, so this is your brake and this is your accelerator. Sharply to the left. Hold your steering wheel tight. Okay, you're ready to drive.
A small version of what people are doing out here.
It absolutely is.
The equipment, challenges, and catwalk tour of the facility helps to spark interest in young minds.
So they're able to see that connection between what they like, which is computers,
and exposes them to modern manufacturing.
and they can actually see the output. It really kind of connects those dots.
Scott Brand with SIA shows me some of the robots and equipment students get to try in the lab.
I'll tell you what, you see the confidence in the eyes of a kid that comes in, thinks, well, there's no way I could ever operate something like that. If they say, wait a second, this isn't nearly as difficult as I thought it might be, and it's a lot of fun.
And he tells me that students get to see that factories and manufacturing of today is different than what many perceive. It's clean, safe, full of technology. This lab serves as a pipeline.
I think every kid that has an opportunity to come to a factory, see the actual work that's being done, will have a great sense of what it's really like, and hopefully that stimulates them to think, maybe that's a good career for me.
And these NMAC Design and Innovation Studios stretch farther than Subaru. They're in Lafayette. 20,000 Indiana students are directly impacted by the studios, whether they're at places like SIA, Fiat Chrysler, or Honda. They also have studios in several area elementary schools. If you want to learn a little bit more about these NMAC Innovation Studios and how to get one in front of your child for this unique learning experience, you can connect with them by learning more and visiting this story on our website. It's all at hiringhoosiers.com.